How to request a refund using Alibaba.com money back policy. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a clear step-by-step guide to request on Alibaba.com. So let's get started. First of all, we can log into Alibaba.com and click on our account option in the top right corner and select the option of My Alibaba. After that, we can head over to the order section, all orders. Click on orders to open it up. And we can select up the specific order from this section. And once you select the order, inside the order details page, you can choose that option. You may just go over and select the option for apply for refund. So go ahead and find this option right here and choose the option for refund only because no product received or keep the item. And you can only request a refund if your supplier has not shipped on time, product does not match the description, and if the product is damaged or defective or the order terms were violated. And that is covered under Alibaba's Trade Assurance Money Back Policy. Once it is done, you can select a reason. You need to fill in the details, example, not shipped, quality issue, and enter the refund amount as well. And after that, you can add up explanation as well. And if required, you can upload evidence as well, such as photos or videos of the products, screenshots of the agreement, or chart tracking info if relevant, because strong evidence is equal to higher chance of full refund, and the suppliers get notified and they can accept, reject, or negotiate. And that way you should be able to do it. Always keep the communication inside Alibaba.com. Do not close dispute until the refund is confirmed, and follow the dispute deadlines, and then you should be able to recover it very easily. So that's it everybody. For now, we hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe for more.